Andrea, a doctor of physical therapy, and today I'll be showing you how to use your PELEGON shower stool. A shower stool can provide you more independence and safety while you bathe, especially if you have any balance problems or weakness while standing. Please remember, the following guidelines are not a substitute for medical advice. Please confirm with your healthcare provider that this product meets your specific needs. First, adjust the shower stool height before placing it in your shower or bathtub. Adjusting the legs is easy. Snap each leg to the appropriate height. All legs should be locked and at even height. Once adjusted, place your stool in your bathtub or shower. Before taking a shower with the shower stool, it's important to prepare your environment for your comfort. Position your shower caddy and towels lower and nearby, so your bathroom supplies are easy to reach. Once you're ready to shower, in order to sit down, have the back of your legs touch the stool. Slowly lower your body to a sitting position. If necessary, use a handrail, the chair, or your caregiver to help you. Once finished, try to keep your legs shoulder width apart as you push yourself into a standing position. If necessary, use a handrail or your caregiver to help you do so. If you have other questions about assembling your shower stool, please check out our assembly video for clear and easy instructions at pelegon.com. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching and take care.